Thanks to the unified operating concept, most commissioning steps are identical. The instrument, in our example Levelflex, is ready for use in a few steps. To select Key Lock, press and hold the E key. Use the plus and minus keys to navigate between the parameters. Confirm your entry with the E key. This navigation also works for all other parameter settings. Press plus and minus at the same time to leave the selected parameter settings. First, open the main menu by pressing the E key and then selecting Setup. The Setup menu contains at the first position the parameter device tag. Here you can enter the name of the measuring point if required. Next, select the parameter distance unit. In our example, we select the unit meter. The next step is related to the selection of the tank type according to your application. Depending on the probe type of your sensor, the selection of the tank type may vary, for example, for coax. In our example, we select the option Metallic. For Micropilot, the menu provides a selection of tank or bin types which are adapted to free space radar applications. For instruments measuring levels in liquids, determine the medium group to be measured in the next step. There are media with DC values smaller than 4, for example oils. We select the option Water-based, used for media such as acids, brines or solutions, which have a DC value larger than 4. In level measurement of bulk solids with Micropilot FMR5x and 57, determine the maximum filling speed and then the maximum draining speed of the silo or process in this menu step. In the next two menu items, please enter the measuring range. Start as displayed by the instrument by determining the empty calibration. The empty calibration, E, determines the distance between the reference point, in our example the lower edge of the flange, and the minimum level. In our case, we select an empty distance of 4.865 meters and confirm with the E key. Determine the full distance F in the parameter full calibration, defined as the distance from the minimum to the maximum level. In our example, we select a span of 4.5 meters. The following three menu items assist you to access the currently measured level value, the distance, and the signal quality. To achieve the best possible measuring results, we recommend suppressing static interfering signals once, ideally with an empty tank. For this purpose, go to the mapping parameter and press the E key again. Here you find the menu item Tank Empty. Select this item and then confirm the sequence using the plus key. If the message End of sequence appears, all of the interfering signals are suppressed. Commissioning has now been successfully completed.